Basic vs. Advanced English. Buy. I'm planning to buy a new laptop for my college studies. Purchase. I'm planning to purchase a new laptop for my college studies. Get. You will need to get permission from the principal. Obtain. You will need to obtain permission from the principal. Job. His job in marketing involves promoting products and reaching out to potential customers. Occupation. His occupation in marketing involves promoting products and reaching out to potential customers. Live. They live in a beautiful farmhouse in the countryside. Reside. They reside in a beautiful farmhouse in the countryside. Seem. The situation seems challenging, but with effort, we can overcome it. Appear. The situation appears challenging, but with effort, we can overcome it. Tell. I will tell her about the changes in the schedule. Inform. I will inform her about the changes in the schedule. Help. Can you help me carry heavy boxes upstairs? Assist. Can you assist me in carrying heavy boxes upstairs? Think. I think we should go with the first option, as it seems feasible. Consider. I consider we should go with the first option, as it seems feasible.